Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Yustiani Kasman from class AGT1C with study number D1B1 21017. I made this video with the aim of fulfilling the final assignment for the English course. This video I made is a speech about fermentation to plant 1000 of trees. Okay, with due all the respect to the honorable audience attending. As we all know that this world has been getting hotter over time. Do you feel that the sunlight is getting intense and night is getting colder? Now, those things happen due to the human's greed. As the result, the world has become to suffer in pain. We all must have witnessed in almost every mass media, either print media or electronic media. The illegal logging has risen around. The damage and devastation of forests occurred anywhere. Even so, the government appears to keep silent. They seem to be unable to deal with a great crime that obviously and execute on the front of their eyes. They must open our eyes to how great the danger this world has been dealing with. The world is getting extreme in heat. Fire disasters occur anywhere, and thick smoke in covering many regions and making everyone have trouble to breathe and a great constraint to run the activity. By the increase of Earth's heat, the snow and iceberg in South and North Poles have started melting down. Thus, then the end of the world is said near already. We all will be drowned by the deluge and flood of water that comes from the melted down great iceberg in Poles area. Indonesia is said to be the emerald of Equator due to its greenness and prosperity. However, now Indonesia has started to lose an emerald and all the image. All behind this is none other than the greedy people who plunder our trees as they wish. They really is irresponsible and don't have any idea of what misfortune they are creating. Do we have to stay closing our eyes or pretending that we are blind after all? Do we still have a heart to care for the nature? For the reason, start from our own selves. We need to fully realize and begin to encourage our families and friends to plant the trees, at least by planting them on our close surroundings, namely our home. So does every government chief, company's chief, or other intends to appall all of their people to plant the trees. Government needs to compulsory make the laws that every corporation is obligated to perform the program of tree planting. These things is more effective since the World War their section they will get if they don't perform the program. I hope we all realize on how important this tree planting program for our own self, for our children and grandchildren, for our nation, and for the sake of world. One tree plant by every people in Indonesia, then thousands, millions of trees will be planted. I wish this fermentation reminds and realize us all to the effect of global warming, so that our awareness to care for our environment, our forest, will rise up. That's all the speech I could convey. Please forgive for my mistake on my words. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.